ProQuest One Business is the perfect database to utilize for all your business research needs. It contains analytical reports from the likes of JP Morgan, while also including various scholarly journals and articles from a multitude of sources like the Wall Street Journal and The Economist. So, if you have business-specific research needs, this is the place to start. To begin, start on the Beloit College Library homepage. Then, scroll down to find our databases underneath additional resources. Next, search for ProQuest One Business near the top of the page, or click the P in the alphabetical page list and scroll to find the specific database. Once you are in the database, you can then use the search bar to look for articles that are related to your topic of choice. If you are having trouble finding something that suits your needs, try using the sidebar on the left side of the page to narrow down the specific search results. Once you have your article, you should have access to not only its full text, but also an abstract and a citation section. Now, it may be the case that ProQuest One Business doesn't have your article's full text. If this happens, you may have better luck looking for the same article in another database such as Google Scholar. That being said, if you would like to learn more about how to get the most out of ProQuest, check out our video detailing some of the finer functions of the database that will make finding additional resources easier than ever. If you have any questions about ProQuest One Business, citations, or about our general library services, please feel free to contact us at libref@beloit.edu or use our Ask a Librarian chat service located on our website.